In this video, I'm going to show you how I used this to form this Vital Rich Concept branding and packaging mentoring for MSMEs. Like this video, share this video wide, subscribe to my channel and follow us for more tips on packaging. We are going to be packaging curry, this beautiful curry, something like this beautiful curry from a beautiful company with our industrial nylons and our mini hand sealers. So the first thing you're going to do is to get the measurement of your product from our industrial nylon. I want to show you how our industrial nylon looks like. You can see it goes on and on and on. It's for all manner of packaging, be it powdered product or whole product. Now the size of one sachet of product here is 2.5 inches. Now if you add the allowance for sealing, it will be 3¼ inches. Now I times it by 10 because there's 10 sachets in one roll, so giving me 32.5 inches. So I'm going to use my pair of scissors to cut it out now. So immediately after cutting it out, the next thing is to brand it like I've done here. So you need to get our branding course to learn how to brand as an MSME. Okay, you can see the beautiful branding. You can do something like this or even something better. Okay, so you can see vital curry, herbs and spices. Okay, spice up your meal with natural spices. You can see it, so beautiful. See the curry leaves, so beautiful. It's something you can do at home by yourself with our branding course. So get our industrial nylon today. We deliver throughout Nigeria and beyond Nigeria. It doesn't matter where you are, we're going to deliver it to you. We get our lined surface sealer to make your product look like you use automated machine to seal it. Get our smooth surface sealer, then get our branding course too. To place order for all these things, get our WhatsApp number from our bio, okay, to send us WhatsApp chat to place your order. You need to get our branding course to make your product stand out, okay, to make your product to stand out, even though you don't have money to start giving to big companies to print for you now, or you don't have automated machine, but you can still brand your product and make it look unique with our branding course. Okay, so immediately after branding your nylon, the next thing is to start packaging. But I want to show you the measurement. You can see I said this, each sachet is 2.5 inches. Then with the allowance of the sealing, everything will be 3¼ inches. It is the same measurement for each of the sachets, and in this roll there are 10 sachets that make up one roll for this curry that we want to package now. Okay, so immediately after branding, you fold your nylon into 2 equal parts. Okay, you fold it into 2 equal parts. Just like I'm doing right now. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow us for more tips on packaging, share this video wide so that everybody who needs it will come in contact with it, and tell us what you want us to package in the comment section. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do now is to use the smooth surface sealer to seal up the side. Here we'll be doing side sealing. Now some of you are asking question, how durable is the smooth surface sealer and the lined surface sealer? My dear, they are very durable. You can see this one is looking old already. Since 2022 I've been using it. This is 2025 and it's still as strong as the first day I used it. So it is highly durable. It can last you so long as you know how to use it well, and it seals very hot, much hotter than impulse sealer. You can't even start comparing the heat that this one generates. If you're not careful, it can burn up your hand. It is that serious. So our machine lasts long. It's highly durable. Now I'm cutting off any excess that is at the tip, Okay, the next thing is to seal the base with the smooth surface sealer. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, then you can top it up also with the lined surface sealer. So after sealing both the side and the end, the next thing is to start adding my product. Now this is bottled curry. I poured it inside there. I poured one of it inside the plate. Now some of you are packaging bottled curry and they are complaining that it's not moving. Okay, now why don't you diversify by selling also the small sachet? You know, some people will buy small sachet, some others will buy bottle packaged own. So diversify. So immediately after adding with the standard measurement, you seal first of all with the smooth surface sealer, then you top it up with the lined surface sealer. The lined surface sealer makes it look like you use automated machine to seal it. Meanwhile, it's something you did at home. It also strengthens your sealing. Okay, so the process will continue. Please do not fail to use standard measurement to be adding your product. Okay, so I seal first of all with the smooth surface sealer. I top it up with the lined surface sealer. You know, sealing this will make your product to stand out. It will make your product to still measure up until you are ready to get automated machine and until you are ready to start giving big companies your item to print for you, to brand for you. Okay, so this process will continue. Whether you're the one that will be manufacturing the item and then packaging, or you just want to face only the packaging aspect and be doing it for the people, is okay. Anyone is okay. The most important thing is that Vital Rich Concept is here to empower MSMEs, to make you move from one level to the other, to make sure that nobody is idle. Everybody can be doing something, generating income. Start with little capital. You can start this business. Little capital, you can start this business. That is the whole essence of all we are doing, to make sure that you are empowered. Do not delay in getting our industrial nylon. Do not delay in getting our branding course that will help you, and then our mini hand sellers. Wow, I'm about to say the last one now. The last one, I've added the item, sealing it up with the smooth surface sealer, then topping it up with the lined surface sealer. Wow, can you see one roll of curry, of powdered curry, or whatever it is you want to package? Can you see? Isn't it looking beautiful? Isn't it looking beautiful, like you use automated machine? Meanwhile, it's something you did manually at home. By the time you get used to it, within 5 minutes you have already done one roll. 5 minutes or less, you have done one roll. And if you have one or two staff working with you, it makes it even easier. Okay, before you know it, you can produce large quantity of item. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow us for more tips on branding and packaging. Like this video, share it wide, make your comment in the comment section, tell us where you're watching from and the next item you want us to package. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you and make sure you are winning.